What's up everybody? In today's video we're going to go over the wiring on the ultimate NAPA compressor. So in the last video we went over all the modifications that I did to the pump, and the video went great. Overwhelming response, thank you guys very much. So in this video I thought I'd go over a brief explanation of the wiring that I've done. There's been a couple questions in the comments, so I thought I'd cover that in a really short little video here. So here we go. What I've done is I've gone from the battery and I've gone to a circuit breaker. I think it's a 100 amp circuit breaker because it's a 90 amp draw. And then from there the wire goes down over and hits one of the big lugs on the relay. Now for this to work properly we need to trigger the relay, and one side of the relay goes to ground and the other side of the relay needs 12 volts, and to interrupt that 12 volt circuit, that's what we use the pressure switch for. So we'll just go ahead and connect that over to here, and then as a temporary solution you would come from this wire, this lug somewhere, some other 12 volt switch source, whatever you need, but come off of here and hit this side, so that way power to the relay is interrupted by the pressure switch. And now that it's in, and then you come off of the relay, over here, you got to come off and go to the pump, and then, or the compressor, excuse me, and then the compressor has its own to ground as well on there. So what I've done is I've taken this situation and I have wired in my aux beam panel to one side of the pressure switch. So when I hit my, I think one of the 5 amp outputs, so 1 or 2 I think it is, comes out, hits that, triggers the relay, turns the compressor on, and until the pump sees this, or the switch sees as much air as it needs to turn off, will the relay stay on and run the compressor. So once that sees the pressure, shuts that off, the compressor stops, air stops flowing, and we're good. So I hope this makes sense. It's not terribly difficult. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to bring further diagrams and explanations as I go along with the project as needed. So like always, like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the algorithm, helps me bring out more videos. So yeah, enjoy your day.